Hello everyone, welcome to another Forex video brought to you by yours truly, EAS. And as usual, we're going to get right into it. Today's video is going to be talking about support and resistance and price action trading. Support and resistance is a key concept that every Forex trader needs to know to be able to be profitable in this Forex game. And the long and short of it is that support refers to a level where the price of a currency pair tends to find buying pressure. So when price falls to that region, selling pressure stops and buying pressure starts from there. The reverse can be said for resistance. So resistance is a level where price of a currency pair tends to find selling pressure. The currency pair stops rising and then starts to fall from that region. So that's what you need to know. Second is price action trading. Price action trading is the practice of making trading decisions based on price movement. So price gets to a certain point. Oh, I think support will be found here. I think resistance will be found here. That's the reason I put both of them together. Price action trading and support and resistance, in my opinion, they go hand in hand. So how do I employ this, or how do you employ this? We are, as a day trader, I like to use my 1 hour time frame to get those key levels because to a large extent it helps. Although you can also come to the 15 minutes time frame to also get that level. Both works depending on which time frame you want to use to trade. So I have put these green lines here to serve as, I call them psychological levels, because you see these banks and hedges, big firms, they tend to like to buy buy or sell at whole numbers, round up numbers. For example, when you go to the market, you will not go buy a toothbrush, or yeah, you might see some groceries at 9.95, but the number that comes to your mind on a whim is just a whole number. So, and I've separated this by 50 pips. So these are my psychological levels that yes, these are places where price will get to, and there could be a reaction. It could be a support. It could be a resistance, or it could break through. Who knows? At the end of the day, we are speculating. So support and resistance. So this is an example of a support. You see this region here. I'm going to use this box. Sorry, this is a resistance. So price got to this level, and buying pressure stopped, and then the sellers enter the market. This is a region of resistance. This is a region of resistance. People tend to think these resistance levels are just lines. Oh, this line. No, they're actually zones, regions, like I said. And you can see this, you can take this as your region of support. So resistance, support. I think I should put it in text for you. Resistance. Oh, sorry. Resistance, support. So here you have it, simple. And then when you see that price actually reacts a certain way, always find support at a particular level, or always finds resistance at a particular level, that becomes a key level. And that's where price action trading comes in, because you know that when price gets to this level, or when this pair gets to this price, there will be a reaction. And you know, price action trading, you have to use historical data. So you go back in time. That is what back testing is in Forex also. So you go back in time, you know, back scroll all the way back, trading view, and analyze, okay, what happened when price got to this point? What happened when price got to this point? Then with that information, you'll be able to tell, okay, this is what will most probably happen in the future when price gets to this level. Or it will sell, or it will buy. It will find support here, or it will find resistance here. And that's it about price action trading and support and resistance. It's that simple. It's that simple. So what I encourage you to do now, go open your chart, mark out these levels, and see how price reacts when it comes there. If you have the pro version, you can easily replay like I do. You can easily replay like I do, and you can easily replay like I do and test. Oh, price found resistance here. Okay, so there might be a reaction. There's a high probability there might be a reaction here because on this same level it found support. So this is more or less like a key level. Okay, price is going now. So will price have a reaction around this zone? Let's see. So we play. Let's see what price will do. Sorry, you see, you see, price is reacting around the same region, around the same region. Price is reacting. So at the end of the day, you should not use this as a standalone strategy. So you combine it with other things like what I would do normally now. This is my psychological level, and I use a trend line also, trend line break or trend line bounce, and then chart patterns such as this double top called an M pattern or a double bottom called a W pattern. And yes, there's also the high and low of the week I also use if you watch my previous video. And then I use that two, three or more confluences to give you a clear indication that this is going to sell and this is going to buy. It is that. It is that straightforward. Yes, I know when your money is on the line, it's it's a whole different game, but you really need to be confident to be able to make a ton of money from the forex market. So as usual, I'm going to keep this video short, and that's it. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comment section and I'll get back to you. Bye for now.